Can you elaborate more on how genetic testing works?
So there are certain DNA sequences or mutations, in other words, you can call it. Mutations are essentially sequences. And what happens is those change over time. Those are different in different parts of the world. By sequences, you can just say that this mutation is seen in Russian inheritance, this mutation is seen in Italian inheritance. And how do you know that? Because those mutations were discovered and we just kept piling those up together and adding information in the system. Okay, this data is about this population. And then computer came up with that, there is a pattern. This population has this mutation more than other part of the world. So what ends up happening is you end up developing like a standard that, the inheritance from Italians, for example, have a certain sequence more prevalent because there is definitely association of this mutation type in this population. So what ends up happening is you take a DNA sample of any person in the world and just run it through. Computer kind of matches those mutations and can tell you that, you are this percent of your genetics are from this part of the world and this portion, this much percentage is from that part of the world. That's how any of the machine algorithms or machine learnings work, that there is a standard and then there is a finding. It's like, what are the chances of, again, similar to, what are the chances of slipping on a shiny road, right? So you see how many people slipped and fell on that shiny road, right? And then you kind of figure out a percentage. So similarly, like it's a pattern recognition by the machine and then comparison of subsequent samples.